Good morning, children. This video session is for class 2nd, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 1. And the name of the chapter is measurement. This is our summary lecture. Today's topics are non-standard unit of length, conversion of length, addition and subtraction sums of measurement, and word problem sums of measurement, and some important points to remember. So let's start. So here with our known standard unit of length, here we can find out the length of any object with the help of known standard units of length. So first one is hand span. When we find out the length of any object with the help of our hand span, okay, from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger, that length is called hand span length. Okay, now the next one is arm span. When we find out the length of any object with the help of our arms, ठीक है, so this length is called arm span. जब हम अपनी दोनों बाहें फैला देते हैं और उससे हम मेजरमेंट करते हैं तो ये लेंथ हमारी आर्म स्पैन कहलाती है. नंबर 3 is cubit. So beta, when we find out the length of any object with the help of our elbow and hand, okay, so the length that is starting from the elbow and end up to the middle finger of the tip of the middle finger, okay, so that is called a cubit. The next one is pace. So here number 4 is pace. When we find out the distance of any room or any area with the help of pace, कदम चलना, कदमों से जब हम find out करते हैं कि इसकी कितनी length है, that is called pace. Number 5 is फुट स्पैन. फुट स्पैन क्या होता है बेटा? जब हम अपने एक फुट के आगे दूसरा फुट रखते हैं फिर उसके आगे पहले वाला फुट रखते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फुट स्पैन. ओके, सो दीज आर द नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. दीज कैन वेरी बिकॉज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स आर डिफरेंट. ठीक है, इट वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. ये हर एक अलग पर्सन की अलग हैंड स्पैन या अलग आर्म स्पैन हो सकती है क्योंकि सभी का जो है बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर वो डिफरेंट होता है. ओके बेटा, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज मीनिंग ऑफ कन्वर्जन. नाउ बेटा, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कन्वर्जन? हियर कन्वर्जन मीन्स टू चेंज समथिंग फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू द अनदर फॉर्म. जब हम किसी चीज को कन्वर्ट करते हैं उसे हम कन्वर्जन कहते हैं. सो हियर conversion of length means like convert meters into centimeters or centimeters into meters. Okay, so let's see how we can solve the conversion sums. So here meters into centimeters. So first of all we will learn about how to convert meters into centimeters. Here to convert meters into centimeters we multiply the number of meters by 100. जब हम मीटर्स को बेटा सेंटीमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम मीटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 100 से. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, here convert 6 meters into centimeters. So I told you here that we have to multiply 6 meters by 100 because we want to convert 6 meters into centimeters. So here we will write in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 6 meters is equal to 6 multiplied by 100 and that is equal to 600 centimeters. When we multiply a number by 100, what we will do? We will write that number and we will put 2 zeros on the right hand side of that given number. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600 centimeters. Okay, now मीटर्स एंड सेंटीमीटर्स इनटू सेंटीमीटर्स. जब हमें मीटर्स और सेंटीमीटर्स दोनों गिवन हो और हमें उसे सेंटीमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व these sums. To convert meters and centimeters into centimeters, okay, we multiply the number of meters by 100 and after that we will add the centimeters in that. Okay, so let's see how. Here in example 1, convert 7 meters 80 centimeters into centimeters. Now you can see we have given two things, meters and centimeters, and we have to convert it into centimeters. So first of all we need to multiply 7 by 100 and after that we will add 80 in this. So let's see. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 7 meters is equal to 7 multiplied by 100. Okay. And 80 centimeters. So we will add 80 centimeters here. Okay. So 700 centimeters plus 80 centimeters. So we need to add both the numbers. So 700 plus 80, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8 and 7 plus 0, 7. So here we will write 780 centimeters. Understood beta? First we need to multiply the number of meters by 100 and then we have to add the centimeters in that. Now centimeters into meters. तो अभी तो हमने bigger unit को smaller unit में convert किया था. Now we will convert centimeters into meters. So here you can see that centimeters are smaller unit and meters are bigger unit. So here when we want to convert centimeters into meters, what we have to do? We divide the number of centimeters by 100. Okay. Simply we write the last two digits from the right hand side of the number as a centimeters and a remaining as meters. Understood बेटा? आपने क्या करना है, जब हम सेंटीमीटर्स को मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम उसे डिवाइड करते हैं 100 से, और 100 से जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या रूल होता है कि जो लास्ट के टू डिजिट्स होते हैं फ्रॉम आवर राइट हैंड साइड, ठीक है, उसे हम सेंटीमीटर्स काउंट करते हैं और जो बच जाते हैं उसे हम मीटर्स काउंट करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी हाउ. So in example number 1, 900 centimeters is equal to dash meters. So here I told you earlier 900 divided by 100. So जब हमने 900 को 100 से डिवाइड करना है तो how we can write last two digits from the right hand side. There are two zeros. Okay. So we will write two zeros as centimeters and 9 as meters. So 9 meter 00 centimeters, or we can write it like 9 meter. क्योंकि centimeter 0 है तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसे 9 meters. So here we will write the answer. Now example number 2. 445 centimeters is equal to dash meters dash centimeters. So again we need to divide 445 by 100. Okay. So last two digits of 445 are 45. So we will write 4 meters 45 centimeters. So here we will write the answer 4 meters and 45 centimeters. Okay. Now measurement. So बेटा मेजरमेंट का क्या मीनिंग होता है? मेजरमेंट का मतलब होता है नापना, किसी भी चीज को नापना. तो अभी हमने इस मेजरमेंट वाले चैप्टर में क्या क्या लर्न किया है, लेट्स सी. हियर वी कैन मेजर लेंथ ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन मीटर्स और सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, जब हमें लेंथ मेजर करनी है, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की लंबाई मेजर करनी है, तो हम उसे मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में मेजर करते हैं. ओके. And if we want to measure weight of an object, then we can measure it in kilograms or grams. ठीक है, जब हमें किसी का वजन तोलना होता है, सॉलिड थिंग्स का जब हमें वेट मेजर करना होता है तो हम किलोग्राम्स और ग्राम्स में मेजर करते हैं. ओके. एंड वी कैन मेजर कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ कंटेनर इन लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स. और अगर हमें किसी चीज की कैपेसिटी मेजर करनी है तो हम किसी भी कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी मेजर करना चाहते हैं तो हम लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं. ठीक है. or we can say that all liquid things can be measured in liters or milliliters. Okay, now we will discuss how to solve the addition and subtraction sums of measurement. Okay, now here in A part, it is given meters and centimeters. So here units are given meters and centimeters, and these are the units of length. Okay, so here it is given 40 meters, 27 centimeters and 19 meters, 36 centimeters. Now we have to add both the numbers. Okay, so let's start from our right hand side. Always we will solve a first smaller unit of measurement. So here the smaller unit are centimeters. So first of all we will solve centimeters. So 7 plus 6. So keep 7 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 is two-digit answer. That's why we will write 3 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2, and that is equal to 3, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, now we will solve a meters. So 0 plus 9 is 9 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so we will write here 5. So what is the answer? That is 59 meters 63 centimeters. Okay, now in B part. Now we have given units liters or milliliters. 36 liters 275 milliliters and 15 liters 150 milliliters. So here we need to add both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. First we will solve milliliters. 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. 7 plus 5, so keep 7 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. Let's start forward counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 12 is two-digit answer. That's why we will write 2 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. So here we will write 4. Now we have to solve liters. 6 plus 5. Keep 6 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 11 is two-digit answer. That's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. So here we will write 5. So what is the answer? That is 51 liters 425 milliliters. Okay. Now subtraction sums of measurement. So here in C part it is given kilograms and grams. Now the units are given kilograms and grams. 98 kilograms 956 grams and 19 kilograms 450 grams. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side, or first of all we will solve grams because gram is the smaller unit. So 6 minus 0, that is equal to 6, and 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Okay, now 8 minus 9, we know that 8 is smaller number than 9, so we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So what we will do here, we will take borrow, and this 8 will become 8 plus 10, 18, and this 9 will become 9 minus 1, 8. So now keep 18 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. So let's start 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So here we will write 9. And 8 minus 1, we will get the previous number of 8 and that is 7. So what is the answer? That is 79 kilograms 506 grams. Now in G part, units are given liters and milliliters. 63 liters 629 milliliters and 47 liters 749 milliliters. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 9 minus 9, and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, and 2 minus 4, that is not possible. So here we will take 0 and this 2 will become 12 and this 6 will become 5. Now keep 12 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. So let's start 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 5 minus 7, that is again not possible. So here this 5 will take borrow from liters. Okay, यहाँ 3 से ये borrow लेगा. So 5 will become 5 plus 10, 15, and this 3 will become 2. Now keep 15 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 2 minus 7, that is again not possible. So here this 2 will take borrow from 6 and it will become 2 plus 10, 12, and this 6 will become 6 minus 1, 5. Now 12 minus 7, keep 12 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. And 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? That is 15 liters, 880 milliliters. Okay. Now the word problem sums of measurement. Solve with the following. Number 1. In a truck, there are 126 kg sugar and 256 kg wheat. What is the total weight of the two? तो यहाँ पे बेटा हमें एक ट्रक में 126 kilogram sugar given है और 256 kilogram wheat. Now we have to tell that what is the total. So to find out the total, we need to add both the numbers. So let's start. First of all, we will write 126 kilogram and then we will write 256 kilogram. Now we have to add both the numbers. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 5, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 1 plus 2, 3. So now we have to add unit also. So here we will write unit, kilograms. Okay. So what is the answer? That is 382 kilograms. Now we will write the answer. That is the total weight of 2 is 382 kilograms. Now question number 2. A bottle has 450 milliliters of oil. Out of this, 126 milliliter was used. How much was left in the bottle? बेटा एक बॉटल में 450 मिलीलीटर ऑयल है और उसमें से 126 मिलीलीटर यूज हो चुका है. Now we have to find out the leftover part, and to find out the leftover part, what we need to do? We have to subtract both the numbers, है ना? So first of all, we will write the greater number or bigger number. So here 450 is the greater number. So first of all, we will write 450 milliliter. After that, we will write 126 milliliter. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from my right hand side. So 0 minus 6, that is not possible. So here this 0 will take borrow from 5 and it will become 0 plus 10, 10. And this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And 4 minus 1, we will get the previous number of 4 and that is 3. And now we need to write the unit and that is milliliter. So what is the answer? That is 324 milliliter oil was left in the bottle. Okay. Now beta important points to remember. यहाँ पे मैम आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स बता रही हैं इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो आपको लर्न करने हैं और याद रखने हैं. So let's start. Standard unit of length is meter and the short form of meter is m. Okay. Short length can be measured in centimeters. जो छोटी लेंथ होती है बेटा उसे हम सेंटीमीटर में मेजर करते हैं. ठीक है. Now meter is used to measure longer length. मीटर हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमें कुछ लंबी लेंथ को मेजर करना है, लोंगर लेंथ को मेजर करना है. ओके. जब हमारे आर्म स्पैन से ज्यादा बड़ी लेंथ होती है तो हम उसे मीटर में मेजर करते हैं. And very long distance can be measured in kilometers and the short form of kilometer is km. जब बहुत ज़्यादा दूरी हमें मेजर करनी होती है तो हम किलोमीटर्स की हेल्प से उसे मेजर करते हैं। 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर्स। 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं। Standard unit of weight is kilogram. Okay, and the short form of kilogram is kg. Okay, the next one is smaller unit of weight is gram, and the short form of gram is g. Okay, जो smaller units होती हैं weight की, यानी कि जिनका वजन कम होता है बेटा, we can measure it in grams, और जिनका weight heavy होता है उन्हें हम kilograms में measure करते हैं। Next is base unit of capacity is liter or L. Okay, liter short form of liter is L, capital L. So जो base unit है capacity की वो क्या है liter. Smaller unit of capacity is milliliters, means ml. Okay, जो vessel या container छोटे होते हैं उनकी capacity हम मिलीलीटर में measure करते हैं, और जो bigger होते हैं कंटेनर उनकी कैपेसिटी हम लीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं। 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर्स। 1 लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं। हाफ लीटर इज इक्वल टू 500 मिलीलीटर्स। हाफ मीन्स आधा। 1 लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर्स है तो हाफ लीटर में 500 मिलीलीटर्स होंगे। लिक्विड थिंग्स कैन बी मेजर्ड इन लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स। ओके, नाउ today's homework. Do assignment number 1 given on EdQuark website. Now, the homework discussion of lecture number 9. I had given you sums of from worksheet question number 4 add part C. Kilograms and grams are given. 7 kilograms 200 grams and 2 kilograms 458 grams. Now we have to add. So let's start from our right hand side. So here 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, and 7 plus 2, 9. So how we can speak the answer, that is 9 kilograms, 658 grams. Now G part. Liters and milliliters are given. 6 liters, 780 milliliters, and 2 liters, 119 milliliters. Now we have to add. Let's start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 9, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, and 6 plus 2, 8. So what is the answer? That is 8 liters, 899 milliliters. Now question number 5, subtract. Here in A part, we have given meters and centimeters. 25 meters 28 centimeters and 11 meters 45 centimeters. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. So keep 8 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3. 2 minus 4. That is not possible because 2 is smaller number than 4. So here this 2 will take borrow from 5 and it will become 2 plus 10, 12. And this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now keep 12 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now we have to solve a meters. 4 minus 1, we will get the previous number of 4 and that is 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? That is 13 meters, 83 centimeters. Now in B part, kilometers and meters are given. 4 kilometers 200 meters and 3 kilometers 800 meters. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 8, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow and this 2 will become 2 plus 10, 12, and this 4 will become 4 minus 1, 3. Now 12 minus 8, 4, and 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the answer? That is 400 meters, because here kilometers are 0. So no need to speak kilometers. We will speak only 400 meters. Understood, beta? Thank you.